Hello viewers, welcome again to my video channel, and I'm going to show you today a simple recipe of coconut rice. You can use fresh coconut, but I'm using the desiccated coconut, not the sweet one. It's the unsweetened one, and I'm going to use that. So I'll start off with oil. You can use coconut oil or any kind of oil if you wish. Even olive oil is fine. One dried chili. You can put more, but I'm using only one. Salt according to your taste. About half teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of mustard seed. Fresh curry leaves. Urad dal again, and it's a half onion of chopped half onion, and this is 70% cooked white rice, which is equal amount of 2 bowls of this onion bowl. So that's what I could say, and I have some water here to cook even faster with the rice. So let's get started and get into the kitchen. Come on, hop in. To start off with, I'm going to preheat the oil, approximately about 2 tablespoons. And I'm going to add the mustard seed, and I'm going to cover this for it not to crackle. So we'll come back once it starts to crackle. Hello viewers, you can see now the mustard seed is starting to crackle. So at this time I'm going to wait for another couple of minutes until it stops, and I'm going to start adding in the ingredients. And hello viewers, now we have already come to the mustard seed crackle. So I'm going to add about 1.5 teaspoons of urad dal. And I'm going to saute a little bit, and the urad dal is starting to change its color, and at this time I'm going to add the dried chili. And the dried chili has changed its color, and now I'm going to add the fresh curry leaves. At this spur of the moment, I'm going to add the onions as well. If you have asked me what bowl is this, I would say I got it from IKEA. So that's the amount that I'm using. And now I'm going to add some salt according to your taste. Onions are optional. For those who can't eat onion, please omit the onions. And if you are not going to use dried chili, it's okay. You can use green chili, and if you don't want chili at all, you don't have to use chili. So I'm going to wait for the onions to become a little translucent. For this, I'm just going to add a touch of water, just to help the onions to cook faster. We'll come back once the onions is cooked. Hello viewers, now is the time to add the rice. Remember, it's 60% cooked rice which I'm using for this, 60 to 70%. And at the same time, I'm going to add the coconut and some extra salt. And I'm going to stir fry it. Keep on stir frying it, or stir it. I can smell the coconut coming up. I remind you once again, those who can't eat onions, please omit the onions. And now I'm going to sprinkle some water. Approximately about half a cup. Don't pour it, but sprinkle. And mix it. And we are almost ready. So let the rice cook for a few minutes, approximately about 3 minutes, and then we'll come back. Well, the rice is ready right now. The final part is I'm going to add some ghee, and approximately about 2 teaspoons to 3. I'm going to use maybe 2.5. And give a quick stir, and we are almost ready. I'll show you in a short moment. Hello viewers, and this is my final product of the coconut rice. So do try them and let me know how it tastes. And it could be eaten with anything like chutneys or anything like a side dish. And it's also like just you can eat it as it is. So let me know and try it out. Please do share this recipe and subscribe to my channels. And do recommend this channel to others as well, so that they could do the same thing like what you have done. So let the word spread out, and we'll see you in the next video. And happy trying, and I wish you happy cooking at this moment. Bye bye.